Hello guys, this is YouTube channel Path and Lighter, and this video is regarding approach toward SSC CGL Exam, and this is presented by me, Deepak Jaiswal. Now about me, I am Inspector Customs Intelligence and Service Tax since 2006, ranked 161 in APFC exam 2012 conducted by UPSC. Thereafter joined as an APFC Ahmedabad in 2014, from which I later resigned. Now coming to approach towards CGL. The syllabus video I have already uploaded. You can see it. Now the topics, questions which are asked in CGL, generally you have studied it during your school and college days. Okay. So now evaluate yourself by solving a previous year paper under strict examination conditions, by which you will be able to analyze and evaluate yourself. So after solving this, you will be able to know your strengths, your weaknesses, which may be in English or in maths or in GS or in reasoning or other issues related to timing. So after having proper evaluation, you have to focus more on your weaknesses. Now for a normal candidate, daily 3 to 4 hours are required for clearing this exam. This may be the bifurcation of this time depends on your weaknesses or strengths, which you will be able to evaluate after solving a previous year paper. Without any preparation, just solve it. Have a look. Have an idea what paper asks. The more important is consistency. Consistency, which means that how much time you give on daily basis, on regular basis to this exam. Now coming to mathematics. For solving maths section, you have to focus mainly on concepts. There are coaching institutes and there are many books which allow you to solve with tricks. But guys, friends, avoid solving with tricks, because during exam, so much tension, so much fear, so much apprehension, many things are going in your mind. Time is running out, you have to do this and that. So while giving paper, only concepts will help which you are doing it from your college or school level. So all the tricks will fade away during the exam. If you are solving it by tricks, then I must advise you to practice it most. Otherwise, you will not be able to use it in exam pressure. You will forget it. So the success formula for mathematics is concepts, tricks, and then time. First you work on concepts, then if there is tricks available, then practice for tricks, and then focus on timing. So for maths, practice, practice, and practice. This is the only way. Avoid calculator in daily use also, and try to do calculations in mind without writing it on paper. This will save much of time in your exam. Now books recommended for this section is R.S. Agrawal, previous year papers of Kiran publication, and a school book for basics. Target should generally be 35 plus in this paper out of 50. Now coming for English. Read English because it's a language and it will come after practice only. So whatever you are reading, read it in English even if you are from Hindi medium. Avoid memorizing antonyms, synonyms, as you can't memorize dictionary. Just focus on the words in daily day-to-day use. No need to work on antonyms, synonyms that daily you are remembering 5 to 10 words. You can work on your vocab for common words, but not for once upon a time word, hard word, because you can't memorize dictionary, and the questions asked regarding in synonyms are generally of that level that you don't use it daily. So leave it. Focus. Keep this time for some other thing that will help more. Now third thing is basic grammar. Fourth is solving comprehension, passages, etc. from any source, from any book, from previous year papers. And reading is storybook, newspapers, novel, etc. Whatever you like. The important thing is that you read. It's not important that what you are reading or what you are not reading, but just read, and read it in English and try to understand. Until you understand that para or that book or that novel, read it again and again. This will help you in understanding the language. Now remember that language comes only after practicing. If you want to be perfect, then you have to practice. Do this for 1 month and then try to solve paper that came in previous examinations. You will find that you are better in solving comprehensions or in understanding paragraphs. The target should be 35 plus in this paper also. Now reasoning. Only one formula for success. Only 50 questions come. It's scoring. And the only thing you can do is best is practice previous year papers. No need to buy a book or this or that. Just practice previous year papers. You will be able to do more than 90% of the questions asked in the examination. So this is a scoring part for prelims and target should be 40 plus. Now coming to general studies. First of all, solve previous year papers because questions get repeated in the exams. Now current affairs, prepare a note on monthly basis, not on daily basis that you are taking newspaper and writing down all the current news. No, this is the waste of time for SSC. Just have a monthly book, prepare all the current events and wrote it down in a note so that you can prepare it on the last day of the exam. Only 1 to 2 days is more than sufficient for this current affairs. Now for the rest other things, videos to be uploaded on Path Enlighter, which will be sufficient for preparation of this section. Now remember, there is no definite syllabus for this general studies. If you are weak in any section, like if you are weak in bio, you are having problem in history or economics, anything depends on you. We leave that section because only 2 to 3 questions are asked from 1 to section generally. So you can leave and prepare rest. Target should be 30 plus. You have to study this because only minimum amount of time is required for solving this question. So in 10 to 15 minutes you can solve all the 50 questions if you are knowing it. So on whole paper, maths and English are deciding, and you have to solve maths and learn English both because these two are the deciding factor. You have to do it. If you are not knowing maths or if you are not knowing English, you will not be able to succeed in SSC. You have to be master in both maths as well as in English. Now comments in comment section from which topic I should start. If you don't comment, I will start it from maths, number system, or if you want to make any particular topic, please comment it in the comment section. This is all it. Subscribe to this channel for free education. Promote it among friends. For any queries or suggestions, mail us at pathenlight@gmail.com. Thank you.